Water is light, death is near. Put your buckets inside of a bucket. Fiberoptic turtle. I'm a ballerina. Water is light, death is near. Put your buckets inside of a bucket. You smell nice, I'm a ballerina. Fiberoptic turtle. Water is light, death is near. You smell nice, I'm a ballerina. Put your bucket inside of a bucket. Fiberoptic turtle with a fine comb. Find out, bucket. Fuck your water, death is near. You smell nice and I'm a ballerina. Fiber optic turtle with a fine tooth comb. Water light, death is near. Death is fear, death is weird. You smell nice, but I'm a ballerina with a fine tooth bucket and a comb. Fiber optic turtle with a fine tooth comb. Fiber optic turtle with a fine tooth comb. Water is light and I'm a ballerina. Water is nice and I'm a light. Water is death, and death is fear. Water is light, light is death, death is fear. You smell nice, and I'm a ballerina. Put your bucket inside of a bucket. Fiber optic turtle with a fine tooth comb. Guys, the weather. Can I tell you, like the weather out here. An appropriate response to the weather would be to wear layers, because you'll be, 1 minute you'll be sweating. You'll be like, what is this? What is this, the equator? What is this, Africa? Is this South America? Is this southern, regular America? Am I in the deep south because it's warm? They have warmer temperatures in the south than they do in the north because we're closer to the equator. The equator is the hottest part, but the weather fluctuates out here. It's not the same. San Francisco weather is arguably even more volatile than Boston weather, which is what I was used to. So, you should wear layers, and you should, what is this, Antarctica? Oh no, what is this, the Congo? The Congo? Does this have a gigantic CGI ape? Is that what this is? What is this? Is this Alabama or is this Alaska? Both of those started with A's. Which one? Which one? America. Which one? Is it, did you guys come from San Francisco or not San Francisco? Because the weather is very, finicky and temperate and volatile, and it goes from being too warm to too cold. It's because it's mountainous, it's tall, because there are very many sort of in Colorado you get a similar thing, where essentially every day the weather is the same because you're up high in the mountains, and so it's cold when it's night and it's hot when the sun is out. So it gets cold and then it gets hot. That's a very frequent thing that occurs. First it starts out and it's a warm day. It's a nice warm day. You go outside. If you were to preemptively go outside, say, I don't know, you're in a wild mood, and instead of just, using your judgment or consulting some sort of website, you actually decided, I'm gonna, figure out how warm it is outside. And then you did, and you figured out, oh, it's warm outside, you would wear shorts. But you know what you would be later? Once the sun set, what you would be? Do you understand that? Do you understand the difference between being comfortable in the temperature that you're in and being uncomfortable in a completely fucking alien temperature? Do you understand what that means? That means that the weather changes frequently. Its level of heat. You can't, it is cold when the sun is not out, which would make you think that it would be cold. There are neighborhoods where it's cold. But around here, guys, it's cold and then it's hot. It's hot and then it's cold. I can't even categorize it as a specific thing because it is changing constantly. Do you understand what I'm trying to communicate? I'm trying to say that if you don't like the weather around here, wait 5 minutes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 5 minutes.